In an unexpected development, Toyota CEO Koji Sato has introduced a revolutionary engine technology that could potentially disrupt the automotive industry and challenge the current dominance of electric vehicles, EVs. Known for his forward-thinking approach, Sato's announcement has generated significant intrigue. This news arrives at a time when the industry is largely centered around electric powertrains, traditionally associated with hybrid technology and fuel efficiency. Toyota has raised eyebrows with Sato's daring assertion that their new engine will surpass and potentially overshadow existing EVs. Despite the industry's strong shift towards electrification, Sato's bold statement indicates that Toyota remains committed to leading innovation in the automotive sector. Hey, if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. The automotive world has witnessed a surge in electric vehicle adoption, with companies like Tesla at the forefront of this transition. Tesla's Model S, Model 3, and Model X have become synonymous with electric performance, offering impressive acceleration, long-range capabilities, and cutting-edge technology. The Silicon Valley giant has successfully captured the imagination of consumers, creating a ripple effect that has pushed other automakers to accelerate their EV development programs. Nissan, with its Leaf model, and Chevrolet, with the Bolt EV, have also made significant strides in the electric vehicle market. Both companies have aimed to strike a balance between affordability and range, appealing to a broader audience and contributing to the growing acceptance of electric mobility. However, Toyota's announcement hints at a potential game-changer that could disrupt the current trajectory of the automotive industry. Sato's revelation centers around a new engine technology that promises to deliver performance, efficiency, and sustainability without relying on conventional electric powertrains. The details of this groundbreaking engine remain shrouded in secrecy, leaving enthusiasts and industry experts eager to learn more about Toyota's ambitious project. As discussions surrounding electric vehicles dominate headlines, Toyota's commitment to an alternative power source raises questions about the long-term viability of EVs. Sato's bold claim asserting the superiority of the new engine over electric propulsion challenges the narrative that has positioned EVs as the inevitable future of transportation. The automotive landscape has witnessed a paradigm shift in recent years, with governments and industry leaders alike committing to reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable transportation solutions. Electric vehicles have been at the forefront of this movement, offering zero-emission alternatives to traditional internal combustion engines. However, the environmental impact of manufacturing electric vehicle batteries, as well as the challenges associated with recycling and disposal, has prompted some to re-evaluate the overall sustainability of EVs. Toyota's new engine, if successful, could present a compelling alternative that addresses both environmental concerns and the limitations of electric propulsion. The potential advantages of this mysterious engine could position Toyota as a leader in sustainable automotive solutions, challenging the assumptions that have fueled the rapid growth of the electric vehicle market. While Toyota has been a pioneer in hybrid technology with models like the Prius, the recent focus on fully electric solutions by other automakers has raised questions about the future of hybrid vehicles. Sato's revelation may signal a strategic move by Toyota to reaffirm the relevance and importance of hybrid technology in the evolving automotive landscape. The synergy of internal combustion and electric power could prove to be a winning combination, offering the best of both worlds in terms of efficiency, performance, and environmental impact. As the automotive industry races towards electrification, Toyota's decision to unveil a new engine comes at a time when other manufacturers are doubling down on electric technology. Porsche, for instance, has gained acclaim for its electric Taycan model, showcasing that performance and electric drivetrains can coexist seamlessly. The competition between traditional automakers and newer entrants like Tesla has fueled a wave of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of electric mobility. Sato's declaration of a new engine that will destroy electric vehicles is undoubtedly a bold statement, and the automotive world is eagerly awaiting more details to assess the validity of this claim. Toyota's history of innovation, coupled with its commitment to sustainability, adds credibility to the potential impact of this new engine. If successful, it could redefine the conversation around the future of automotive technology. Automotive propulsion. The electric vehicle market has witnessed exponential growth driven by advancements in battery technology, improved charging infrastructure, and a growing awareness of environmental issues. Tesla, as a pioneer in this space, has not only set the benchmark for electric vehicles but has also forced traditional automakers to rethink their strategies and accelerate their electric plans. The global shift towards clean energy and a low-carbon future has further fueled the popularity of electric vehicles, making it a challenging landscape for any new technology to disrupt. However, Toyota's track record of introducing game-changing technologies cannot be overlooked. The hybrid revolution initiated by the Prius and the widespread adoption of fuel-efficient technologies across their lineup have positioned Toyota as a leader in sustainable mobility. The automotive community is now eagerly awaiting further information from Toyota regarding the specifics of this revolutionary engine. Sato's claim has undoubtedly sparked debates and discussions within the industry, with skeptics questioning whether a traditional automaker can truly challenge the electric vehicle juggernaut. Meanwhile, enthusiasts and analysts are intrigued by the prospect of a new technology that could potentially reshape the future of transportation. Toyota's history of innovation, from pioneering hybrid technology to introducing the world to fuel-efficient vehicles, suggests that the company is not one to make baseless claims. Sato's statement raises the stakes for Toyota as the industry looks to the Japanese automaker to deliver a solution that can genuinely compete with or even surpass the current benchmarks set by electric vehicles. The electric vehicle market has witnessed rapid advancements in recent years, with an array of new models offering increased range, faster charging times, and enhanced features. Companies like Ford with its Mustang Mach-E and Volkswagen with the ID.4 have entered the electric vehicle arena with compelling options that cater to different consumer preferences. However, Sato's announcement introduces an element of uncertainty, making stakeholders ponder the potential impact on existing electric vehicle models. One aspect that remains a mystery is how Toyota's new engine will address the ongoing challenges of range anxiety and charging infrastructure, which are often cited as barriers to widespread electric vehicle adoption. If this new technology can provide a solution that combines the benefits of internal combustion engines with the environmental advantages of electric propulsion, it may present a paradigm shift that goes beyond the scope of traditional competition.